But it goes much further than money. And this is the part I really want you to sit with. Think about a father coming home after a long day. Not a bad man, not a checked out man. A man who genuinely loves his family, who works hard for them, who thinks about them all day while he's out there working. He walks in the door, his kids run to him, they want to show him something. They want to tell him about their day. They want him. And he is there. His body is in that house, but his mind is still at work, still running the numbers from today, still thinking about the thing that went sideways this week, still calculating quality in the background, whether the budget has room for what the car needs, still carrying the weight of the thing he hasn't told his wife yet because he doesn't want her to worry. And his kids are talking to him, and he's nodding, and he's saying the right things, but he's not fully present. And children feel that. Kids are extraordinarily sensitive to presence or absence of the people they love the most. They don't have the words for it. They can't explain it, but they feel it. And over time, the child stops running to the door, not dramatically, not all at once, just gradually. They learn that dad is home, but not really here. And they adjust the way kids always adjust, the way kids shouldn't have to adjust. And that father, if you ask him what he works this hard for, would say his family without hesitation. And he would mean every word of it, every word of it. But the loop took something from both of them that no paycheck can replace. Now, what does the world offer the father in the hour after he walks through that door? 1,000 shows ready the second he sits down. No effort, no thought required. His phone scrolls through whatever is on there, sports, news, videos, anything that gives his brain a 10-minute break from the weight he has been carrying since the morning. Or maybe dinner gets ordered in because neither of them has the energy to cook and clean up and still have something left for each other afterward. And none of those things are evil on their own, but here's what they do. They make you feel temporarily okay inside a situation that has not actually changed. The show ends, the food is gone, the phone gets put down, and the weight is still there. And tomorrow, the loop starts again. And the relationship that was supposed to be the foundation of the whole family starts to run on fumes. Not because the love disappeared, because love needs time and presence and real energy to stay strong. And the loop consumes all three. I watch this happen more times I want to count. Good people, solid family, real love, but stretched so thin by constant pressure that by the time they sit down together at the end of the day, there is nothing left to give. And the conversations that need to happen, the honest ones, the real ones, those conversations keep getting pushed to later. And later never quite comes because tomorrow is not a long day. This is what I mean when I say moral economy loop is an economic and psychological trap. It is not just about the money. It is about the pressure around the money does to the human beings living inside it. It steals your presence from people who need you most. It trades your energy for the distraction. It delays the conversations, the decisions, the bold moves forward until delay becomes a way of life. And the real questions never get asked. Why is this pressure this high in the first place? What built this loop? What would it actually take to change it? What can I, or one person in the middle of all of this, actually do? Those are the questions this podcast exists to ask. Not to make you angry, not to make you feel hopeless, but because the first step out of any loop is understanding that you are in one. And the second step is understanding why.